The vacuum flask. Dear students, our next topic is the vacuum flask. Page number 9. The vacuum flask. Vacuum flask is also called as thermos flask. Vacuum means an empty space where no air or other gases is present. No space or no other gas is present. It can keep the things hot and cold for a long time, for many hours. For this keepness of hotness and coldness, there are many features of thermos flask. First is stopper. It reduces heat loss by convection. It is a picture of vacuum flask. Internal structure. It is stopper. The stopper reduces heat loss by convection and conduction. It stops the heat that never goes out from the flask. Second, space between the walls. The space between the walls having air vacuum that reduces air. This gap with air removed is removed air. Point 2. The space between the walls has tiny air removed vacuum, so heat loss by conduction and convection. The third feature is silver lining. It reduces heat by radiations. These are two silver lines that reduces airs by radiation. On this page, two blanks here. First means blank number 14. The vacuum or dash can keep drinks hot and cold for an hour. Thermos flask. Blank 15. The dash of walls reduces heat loss by radiation. Silver lining. Did you know that the flask was designed and invented by Scottish scientist Sir James Dewar in 1892? This thermos company was the first to mass produce vacuum flasks for everyday use. Some test yourself questions here and the answers are. Question number 1, page number 9. Explain why vacuum flask is commonly called as thermos flask. Because it can keep drinks hot and cold for an hour. Question number 2. Explain why a vacuum flask can keep drinks hot and cold. Because vacuum flask reduces heat loss by convection and conduction. Third and last question. What is the function of silver lining in vacuum flask? The silver linings reduces heat loss by radiation. Thank you. More about changing state. Students, the last topic of this chapter is more about changing state. Page number 9. As we all know that the matter has three states, solid, liquid and gas, and the behavior of their particles depend upon their physical conditions like temperature. Earlier in this chapter, we read about the kinetic theory for the way particles behave during melting, evaporation, boiling, condensing. This experiment shows that how matter change their states. The ice is gently warmed until it melts. The heat is then turned into water, begins to boil. The temperature is taken after 30 seconds. It's a beaker, crushed ice pieces, mercury temperature, thermometer for measurement of temperature, and stirring these ice cubes. After taking measurements, we are going to show you a graph about changing state. This graph shows the results of investigation. At first stage, temperature rises from -30 to 0 as the temperature of ice up to 0 degrees C. It's its melting point. Melting point means a temperature at which something starts to melt. At second stage, there is a very little temperature rises. The energy is allow water molecules to break free about their fixed positions and the ice cubes turn into liquid. But at third stage, the heat energy raises the temperature up to 100 degrees C. From 0 to 100 degrees C, it's a boiling point. Boiling point, a temperature at which liquid begins to boil. But at fourth stage, there is no change in temperature and liquid changes into gas and allow water molecules to break free completely. Here are some test yourself questions on page number 10 and the answers are. Question number 1. Describe what happens to particles in solid when it melts. Each particle vibrate and move further apart. B part, a liquid when it evaporates, particles move very quickly and are free to move in any direction. Question number 2. What happens to ice at 0 degrees C? At 0 degrees C, ice cubes starts melting. What happens to water at 100 degrees C? As 100 degrees C is the boiling point of water, so water is changed into gas or steam. Fourth and last question, explain why the temperature of boiling water does not change no matter how much it is heated, because heat energy is used to break the water molecule. Thank you. Exercise. Okay students, try to solve the exercise by yourself. Otherwise, tell your answer from here. Look. True, false. Question number 2. Question number 3. Use the given words to fill the gaps. Question number 4. Kelvin scale start at absolute 0 and has degree which are the same size as degrees on Celsius scale. Solve this scale by using this Celsius and Kelvin scale. Question number 5. Diagram shows the kinetic theory model of an evaporating liquid. Questions. 6. The diagram shows a refrigerator and some questions about this figure are. Note these exercises on your books. Thank you.